welcome back to my channel Pam Station. I hope you all are doing great. What was your experience after the unlock one? My week was quite interesting. I did a lot of shopping from Amazon, lots of shopping from Nika. So the I button here, and you know what, all you shop from Nika. Now this haul is for Amazon. I shop some stuff for my YouTube channel as well as for my kitchen. So if you are a YouTuber, these two products are very useful. I hope you like my haul, and let me know in the comment section what else did you shop. So let's get started with my haul. Okay, so the first product is this EB coffee table stool, and I wanted a small stool where I can keep place my camera stand and keep my makeup products and film a video, as well as I took a chair as well. So if you are a YouTuber or a makeup artist, or you are shooting any videos for your YouTube channel or Instagram, this is going to be very useful. Fold it and keep it in the side. It takes less place also in your house. So this tool, it's so nice and flexible. It's you can fold it and keep it in a side. Only the material is raw wood. If you see, you can paint it accordingly with whatever color you want it, and keep a center table in a balcony or a hall, or side decoration, keep a telephone or a landline to place, or notepad or anything. This will really look good in any kind of furniture design or color it is. So I'm sure you will like it. Got this stool on a very nice offer. It was, I think, 70% or 80% off. The same tool, if you'll go to mall or shops, you will definitely get it for 1800 or 1700, but I just got it for 700 or 800. I don't remember the exact price, but I will definitely mention on the screen somewhere, and I will share the links of all these products in my description box. If you're interested to buy any of these stuff, you can definitely check that out. So this is a stool which is one of my favorite, and this is the chair which I was talking about. This is very nice and slim, sleek chair in black in color. I don't think so there was any other color, and this is very lightweight and you can fold it. And I would not recommend if you are, I think it was like 50 kgs maximum. If you not more than 50 kg person can sit or stand on this. No, I'll not recommend to stand, because it is just for sitting. I wanted for my makeup videos or YouTube videos, so where I can just fold it and keep it aside. You cannot stand on it. It's not for standing. This, like in front of my video, natural sunlight, I can just open this chair and sit in front of the video. Or any wall, like if I want to shoot, my bedroom wall is nice, or hall wall, you can move this kind of small the chair and the table. So I wanted this kind of chair and the stool, so I got it in good deal. So I hope you like it as well. The next is this clothing rack. It's very nice. I wanted something which is vertical, not the horizontal one. There are so many, now it's rainy season, this is very useful thing. So the next product here, ये मैंने clothing stand लिया है. सो वो भी अमेज़ॉन से. इस तरह से जो वर्टिकल स्टैंड होता है, सो वो कम स्पेस लेता है देन द हॉरिजॉन्टल वन, जो यहाँ पे भी खोलना पड़ता है, तो ये इस तरह का ज़्यादा जगह लेता है. सो ये बेस्ट होता है ऑप्शन, मगर इसको असेंबल करने में बहुत हेडेक हुआ मेरे से. तो हुआ नहीं, बिकॉज मैं आपको फ़ोटो दिखाऊंगी. तो इसके साथ ये से स्क्रूज़ और ये सब अलग मिले थे. फिर पाइप एक लंबा है, फिर दिस साइड वाला पाइप इज़ लॉन्ग, दिस साइड वाला पाइप इज़ शॉर्ट. सो पूरा अच्छी तरह से एक मैप भी दिया गया था जिस तरह से आपको फिक्स करना है. सो ये मेरे हस्बैंड ने और मेरी बेटी ने दोनों ने मिल के ज्वाइन किए. यहाँ पे चैम बैठा है. So this is little tricky, so you will need to help from somebody in your family, then you can join. So this is very nice for rainy season, and एक कोने में कम स्पेस लेता है, मगर इस तरह से स्पेस लेता है स्टैंडिंग. सो आई वुड डेफिनेटली रिकमेंड टू गिव दिस, एंड ये भी बहुत अच्छा खासा डिस्काउंट में चल रहा है. सो दिस इज़ बेस्ट डील. Next I took is this water pump. We prefer instead of AquaGuard, we prefer ordering Bisleri bottles. So instead of carrying the Bisleri every time, telling my husband to put it back, in the machine, this is very nice. You can charge it whenever, and when you charge it, almost for a week it works. It depends upon how many bottles of water you fill it. So this is you get, along with this pump you get a charger as well. It is called, मगर वायर जो होता है ना वो मिल जाता है, तो आप अपने मोबाइल के चार्जर में लगा के इसको चार्ज कर सकते हैं. एंड it's very nice and useful. And then I have taken this wall mounted mop or broom holder. I specially took this for my broom and mops only, and I just wanted to try if frying pan or something can be hanged, but no, it was my mistake. It does not take that kind of weight of a frying pan, because my frying pans and the dosa tawa का जो handles होता है, I thought I will just hang it on my tiles, तो थोड़ा space हो जाएगा कबर्ड में, मगर उसका वेट नहीं लेता है. इट इज टेक्स मैक्स टू मैक्स वेट ऑफ द ब्रूम्स एंड द मॉब. So I'm sharing a screenshot as well. So I have placed it behind the door, so when you open the door you cannot see what's hanging. So it's a nice place, so I hope you like that as well. I just took it to try it. If I like it I will buy more. Then I took is this 2-liter cooker. Actually I thought, I was expecting 2 liter थोड़ा सा बड़ा होगा, मगर ये बहुत ही छोटा निकला. क्यूट दिख रहा था, but I was expecting little big. Then after using it once and twice, I thought like it's fine to boil like 3 to 4 potatoes for आलू पराठा. just झटपट बनाना है तो छोटा कुकर तो एक रहना ज़रूरी है. So I just had one cooker and I took this cooker. So I got it in good deal. This is I think Prestige ka cooker. Okay, so I hope you like my haul. Do let me know which product did you like the most, and maybe you will give it a try. So I will share all the product links in my description box below. You can click down below. And yes, अगर आपने अब तक मुझे सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, please subscribe my channel. It will help me and grow my channel a lot. If you watch my videos till the end, thank you so much for watching. And please ये वीडियो अपने friends को और WhatsApp status पे भी share करना. It will definitely help my channel grow. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit like, subscribe my channel. You can also follow me on my Instagram. My Instagram ID is just chill with Pam. Let's connect on Instagram and subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon on so that you get notification for my next video. आपको जल्दी से उसका ट्रिंग करके नोटिफिकेशन आ जाता है कि पैम स्टेशन से नया वीडियो आया है, तो आप वो वीडियो मिस नहीं करेंगे. So leave a comment below and thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed, stay happy. Bye bye.